that delay cause the adjustment of the grade so that there will be more lawyers who will pass the bar exam. As approved by the bank, is no longer 75, which is the passing grade, but it will be 74.
74 passing rate?
With that reduction of the, ladies and gentlemen, almost 1,000 peso people, almost 1,000 examinees were added to the original batch of those who passed. So, paid off that there are additional examinees for recommendation of 75% as the passing grades. Therefore, I will no longer delay further, and let us make a countdown for of the bar examinees who will be dubbed as most valuable lawyers coming from the bar ni J-Lo. Congratulations to all of you who will pass bar ni J-Lo. Again, marvelous bar exam, and those passers will likewise be most valuable lawyers. So let us start the countdown. Let us start with number 10. 10, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Of
losing a loved one is unbearable.